Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Now the Aussie yen had a big drop last week down to weekly support 93.03, rallying by the end of the week. Into the new week, do we rally back up to 95.85 weekly resistance to 96.06 daily resistance? Do we rally, hold, for then a move back down? Will we form some form of head and shoulder pattern? Left shoulder head. Will we form a right shoulder here at resistance? Now the Aussie dollar did decline last week, but ultimately false broke weekly support 63.64 down to 63.57, but holding at daily resistance. So will that level hold at the start of the week? Will that hold for a move down, or do we move above to one small challenge, 64.58 monthly resistance? So at the beginning of the week, watch 63.85 to be resistance. Can that hold to move down to challenge last week's low, or do we break above the 6400 level to one small challenge, 64.58 monthly resistance? Now the euro yen had a large drop last week and then rallied all the way back up to weekly resistance 157.99, one small closing below that level. So at the start of the week, is this level the level to watch for further failure? So 157.99 up to 158.44, does this area act as resistance for a move back down to a retest weekly support at 156.58, and do we once more move below that level? Now the euro dollar last week false broke weekly support 105.16 and 104.81. Had a reversal week, so I'm anticipating a week up this week. Do we come up to test 106.16 day resistance and 106.35 monthly resistance? Does this area hold as resistance for then a move back down to weekly support at 105.16? So anticipating a week up, but can we fail at that strong resistance area for a move back down? Now the pound yen, like the other yen pairs, had a large drop and then rallied all the way back up. So at the end of the week, we rallied back to 182.67 to 183.01 daily resistance. Are we forming some form of double top here? So at the start of the week, intraday, do we retest 182.67 to 183.01? Does that hold as resistance for a move back down to retest monthly support at 180.41? And can we move back down the range? Of course, we could break higher, but at the start of the week, does resistance hold for a move back down the range? Alright traders, last pair to review for the weekend. Pound dollar did finish positive for the week. So at the start of the week, did we come up to test 122.71 daily resistance, 123.08 weekly resistance? Does this resistance area hold as resistance for a move back down the range? If we break above 123.08, look for that to be support for then a move higher, targeting monthly resistance at 124.48. So at the start of the week, does 122.71 to 123.08 hold as resistance for a move back down the range? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time.